Okay, now we're going to go over our methods example. Go to our source files, drag and drop our XML into Snap, and here we go. We want to right click in the script area, make a block, make a method with one parameter to shift the smiley either left or right depending on the value. Negative numbers for left, positive numbers for right. And so it should look something like this. We want shift negative 200 to move it left. Okay, so how do we do this? Gonna go over here, gonna right click as suggested, make a block. It's gonna be a motion one, so I'll put it in that subsection. I don't need a return value, so I'll just use a command style block. Okay, it says I need a parameter, so I gotta click on the plus right here. I'm gonna call it steps, or distance. It really doesn't matter what you call this. All you know is you have a distance to move. And now, since we want it to move left or right, go under motion, and what seems most appropriate? Change X by such and such. Now, if I just use distance, that should be appropriate, because if I put in a positive distance, it's going to move it to the right. If I put in a negative distance, it's going to move it to the left. So I'm going to click OK and actually create this block. And as you see, it showed up down here at the bottom of my motion blocks. I'm going to put shift over on the left and right arrow presses. And for left, I'm going to do something like negative 100. And for right arrow, I'm going to do positive 100. And now, when I click the flag, and I click left, look, smiley moves. And I click right arrow, smiley moves right. And it's as simple as that. And that is an example of a one parameter, no return value method.